The new stunt lot for the next fucking 10 minutes. So somebody's like, you got a bunch of kids doing wheelies. I wonder if I can do like a kill switch coaster. Oh damn! That's not. Oh god.
Like they hide clues all over.
Give me your bike.
Dig up shit like that.
Give me your bike. Give me your bike. Alright, we traded. It's official. You guys saw it. How does this thing work? It's gotta be in neutral? Too comfortable on this thing. I need to get off of it. I had to quit wheeling it, man. It feels too good. Oh, it feels so good. What, y'all are fucking leaving me? What the fuck?
I knew it. I'm surrounded by assholes.
You guys are assholes. Leaving me over there. You leaving, Adam?
Good Father Sunday.
It was.
I definitely hurt myself right here. I bruised myself.
You can feel it?
Yeah. It's probably this bad boy. This guy was probably like.
Bye, guys. Father Sunday. Into a regular wheelie. You're gonna get your ass yelled at. Skirt.
Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Hey! Your phone! Your phone!
Yeah. That was fucking crazy. Dude was lucky.